In today's world, where we are constantly bombarded with thousands of messages daily, standing out as a business is crucial. But what truly makes a brand unforgettable? How do you create a strong brand identity that resonates with your audience, build trust, and help you grow your business? In this video, we will break down the essential steps to help you build a strong brand identity, one that not only reflects your business values but also attracts and connects with your ideal customers. Define your brand's purpose and values. You need to know why your brand exists, what problem does it solve, what values does it stand for. Your brand purpose is foundation of everything you do. Ask yourself these key questions. Why did I start this business? What is the core mission of my brand? What principles will guide the way my business operates? Defining your purpose and values will not only guide your brand's action but also help customers understand what your brand stands for. Think of brands like Apple. They don't just sell products, they sell a lifestyle, a mission. Identify your target audience. Next, you need to know who you're talking to. Creating a brand identity without understanding your audience is like throwing darts blindfolded. Defining your target audience allows you to tailor your messaging, visuals, and overall tone. Ask yourself, who am I trying to serve? What are their pain points? What kind of lifestyle do they lead? Once you know who your audience is, you can build a brand that resonates with them as an emotional level, making it easier to build relationship and loyalty. Create a unique brand voice. A strong brand identity needs a consistent voice. This voice should reflect your brand's personality, tone, and values, and it should be used across all touchpoints from social media to customer service. Ask yourself, how do you want to speak to customers? Should we be formal or casual? Do we want to be humorous, authoritative, or empathetic? Think about how brands like Nike or Coca-Cola communicate. Nike uses an inspiring, motivational voice, which Coca-Cola is warm and inviting. Decide what best fits your brand and be consistent in all your communications. Design your visual identity. Now let's talk about the visual elements of your brand, your logo, your color scheme, typography, and imagery. These elements play a huge role in making your brand instantly recognizable and helping convey your brand's personality. When designing your visual identity, keep this in mind. Your logo should be simple and memorable. Choose colors that evoke the emotions you want your customers to feel. Use fonts that are readable and reflect your brand's tone. Visual identity is the first thing customers notice about your brand. So ensure it's clear, consistent, and aligned with your mission. Craft a compelling brand story. People love stories. They connect with them emotionally. A compelling brand story communicates your mission, your journey, and why your business exists. It should feel authentic and relatable. Ask yourself, what's the story behind my brand? What challenges did we overcome to get here? How can our story inspire customers to take actions? Your brand story should connect with your audience on a deeper level, making them feel like they are part of your journey. Use it across all platforms to make your brand more human and relatable. Be consistent across all touchpoints. Consistency is a key when building a strong brand identity. From your website to your social media profiles to your product packaging, everything should reflect your brand's identity. Ensure that the messaging tone, visuals, and values stay consistent across every platform and interactions. This consistency helps build trust with your audience and ensure that they recognize your brand no matter where they encounter it. Deliver on your brand promise. Lastly, a strong brand identity is not just about what you say but also what you do. Your brand promise must be delivered every time. If you claim to offer excellent customer service, make sure your team is trained to meet that promise. If your brand is built on sustainability, ensure your practices are aligned with the missions. A brand identity is built through actions, not just words. Deliver consistently on your promises and your brand will naturally gain trust and loyalty. Building a strong brand identity takes time and effort, but it's well worth it. By defining your purpose, understanding your audience, creating a unique voice, designing an unforgettable visual identity, telling a compelling story, staying consistent, and delivering on your promises, you can create a brand that resonates deeply with your audience and stands the test of time. Remember, your brand identity is more than just a logo, it's the entire experiences your customers have with your business. So take the time to shape it thoroughly and intentionally. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about building a successful brand, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more expert tips. Thanks for watching and we will see you next time. Thank you.